In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Pipedrive. So let's dive straight into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, it's time to enter your email and password. Type them carefully to ensure there are no typos. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on navigating to the Deals section, which is an integral part of managing your pipeline and where we'll be adding labels shortly. On the top menu bar, you'll find Deals. Click on that to proceed. Once you're in the Deals section, you will see a list of leads that you're currently handling. Select any lead you wish to work with by simply clicking on it. With the lead open, look for the option to add labels, a little feature that will help you organize and identify your deals much more efficiently. Click on Add Labels and you'll be presented with a list of available labels. These are predefined for you to use, which can save you a lot of time if you're already satisfied with the existing options. Select any of these to apply them to your lead. But let's say you want to create something a bit more customized, a label that really speaks to your particular needs. In that case, look for the option labeled Add Label. Clicking on this will allow you to type in a new label name. Think of this as an opportunity to create a specific tag that fits your workflow, whether that's for a special kind of follow-up or a unique project you're working on. Once you've decided on an appropriate label name, type it in the provided field. Make sure it's descriptive enough to easily identify later, but not so long that it becomes cumbersome. Now that you've entered a new label, click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are captured. This is a crucial step because without saving, all your efforts in creating a new label might be lost. And there you have it, a newly added label in your Pipedrive account. Labels are a powerful way to keep your deals organized and easily recognizable, making your sales process more streamlined and effective. Thanks for taking the time to learn with me today. If you found